Today's topic is applications of Java. Here I given a list of applications of Java and various applications in what way Java is being used. And always remember, no one application is completely written in Java. It takes the support of various things. Some applications uses C++, some use PHP, JavaScript, and Ruby, Scala, Python, and many other environments. So I'll give a detailed list of all the applications today. So applications of Java. If we are a beginner and you just started learning Java, and you might be thinking where Java is used. And of course, you don't see many games written in Java except Minecraft, desktop tools like Adobe Acrobat. Microsoft Office are not written in Java, neither is your operating system like Linux or Windows. So, where exactly people use Java? Does it have any real world applications? Well, many programmers ask this question before starting Java. Oracle says more than 3 billion devices run Java and billions of companies are using Java. Many server-side applications are written in Java which processes tens of millions of requests per day. And high-frequency trading applications are also written in Java like LMAX trading applications, which is built over their path-breaking inter-thread communication library Disruptor. Currently, about 3 billion mobile phones are implemented in Java, as well as about 125 million TV sets, and each Blu-ray player use Java. Every big organization uses Java in one way or another. More than 64,000 companies are using Java in United States itself. Example, Google uses Java to build and develop Google Docs applications. And here I am giving the applications list. Desktop applications can be easily developed using Java. We use APIs, application programming interfaces like AWT, Swing, JavaFX to build these applications. What exactly is an AWT? AWT is an abstract windowing toolkit. It is an interface used to develop window-based applications in Java. Swing is a GUI toolkit which uses AWT and provides certain advanced components like trees, tables, scroll panes, tabbed panels, lists, etc. Swing is totally Java based and uses Swing packages of Java to develop applications. And JavaFX is a modern way to develop a desktop application in Java. It is graphic based and totally different from AWT and Swing. The various examples of desktop GUI applications are Acrobat Reader, Media Player, antiviruses, and etc. Your second one is mobile applications. A mobile application is an application created for mobile phones and tablets. Majority of the phones and smart devices have Android OS, and Android development is not possible without Java. Java Micro Edition, what you call Java ME or J2ME, is a popular cross-platform framework that is used to build applications that run across all feature phones and smartphones. And Java is compatible with Android Studio and Kotlin. And why only for Android mobile application development? The reason is Java compiler compiles the Java classes into bytecode, and this bytecode runs on DVM, Dalvik virtual machine, which is specialized virtual machine for Android. And various applications of mobile are photo and video gallery apps, Simple Calendar, Netflix, Tinder, Uber, Google Earth, and QR reader. The third one is enterprise applications. An enterprise application is a large software system which operates in a corporate environment to satisfy the needs of an organization rather than individual users. Java becomes the first choice for the development of enterprise applications because of its robust features that match the requirements for the same. Oracle Corporation claims that 97% of enterprise applications use Java for the development of large-scale software. JE Enterprise Edition is an API that is used to provide the tools necessary to develop large-scale, multi-tied, scalable, reliable, and distributed and secure network applications in enterprise. Java fulfills the most essential need of these enterprises, which is security, as Java runs inside Java virtual machine, which verifies the bytecode coming from external systems, which ultimately prevents the security breaches. This is the reason why most of the banking applications are developed on Java platform. And Java comes with strong memory management, which automatically deletes unused memory. And applications of Java can easily be made scalable in order to increase the number of users on the enterprise applications site. And various companies like Naukri, Jabang, Google, Flipkart, Spotify, Uber, Infosys, Wipro, eBay, and using Java. The various examples of enterprise applications are business corporations, schools, banks, enterprise resource planning, customer resource management systems, and various clubs, charities, and government sector, and internet based user groups. Fourth one is scientific application. Any scientific application is an application that affects real world activities using mathematics. And Java is having powerful features. This is the best choice for writing scientific applications involving scientific calculations and mathematical operations. It provides a fast, secure, and highly portable environment to these applications, which is the basic requirement for these applications. It has powerful mathematical calculations which have to give the same results on different platforms. Mathematical laboratory MATLAB, which is one of the most popular scientific application, uses Java for developing both front end and back end. For the front end tools, Java provides struts and JSP, Java server pages, servlets. For the back end, core Java can be used in servlets. The various examples are applications related to research, science, medical science, and space, aeronautics, and etc. And fifth one is web-based application. A web application is a client server program that is delivered on the internet through a browser interface. And Java supports the development of web application with the help of servlets, struts, JSP, and Java server faces, Spring, Hibernate, and web services like Apache, Tomcat, Apache, HTTP web server, Resin, Adobe, Jaren, etc. With the help of these technologies, we can develop any kind of web-based applications. Servlets and JSPs are the server-side component that help to develop the business logic of web application. JSP is an extension of the servlet and it has more features as compared to servlet. E-commerce web applications also use Java with the help of open source e-commerce platforms such as Broadleaf. And Java provides easy coding and high security which enables the development of large number of applications for health, social security, education and insurance. And the various examples are your IRCTC, online forms, shopping carts, Gmail and Google Sheets, etc. And sixth one is your embedded systems. An embedded system, also known as integrated system, is a combination of many small computing units that are accessible together to perform dedicated functions for the larger systems. For example, a motor system, entertainment and multimedia in a car, e-commerce, wireless communication, mobile computing and networking use an embedded system. And embedded systems use Java for development, and of course Java was designed for the purpose of developing embedded systems originally. And Java shows how efficient its platform is, for which there is a need of just 130 KB to use it in smart cards or sensors. Java is fast, which can be important when you using low power, low speed processors, and its robustness, which means handles exceptions safely. Subscriber identity module, SIM cards in our phones have been running a variant of JVM Java card for nearly 20 years, and other devices like Blu-ray disc players, utility meters and televisions use Java technology. And 100% of Blu-ray disc players and over millions of TV devices use Java. Big data technology. And what is big data? The term big data, how can you define it? It is defined as an extremely large and complex data sets that may be analyzed to extract patterns, trends, and useful information. Java is the perspective of big data. Today, many developers are switching their careers to big data technology. There is an open source framework called Hadoop associated with big data is written in Java. Moreover, an automatic garbage collection, GC, and strong memory management give it higher priority over the other programming languages. Many prominent big data technologies like Apache Hadoop, Spark, etc., and they are the sub-projects of Java. The most powerful programming language like Scala, scalable language, a pure object-oriented programming language is based on Java. The Scala programmers are easily convertible into bytecode which can run on any JVM. And Hadoop and other big data technologies are also using Java in one way or the other. For example, Apache's Java based HBase and Accumulo, it's an open source, and Elasticsearch as well. Eighth one is distributed applications. A distributed application is an application or software that executes or runs on multiple computers within a network. They have many common requirements that occur especially because of its distributed and dynamic nature of the platforms they operate on. RMI, remote procedure invocation, and common object request broker architecture, CORBA, and they are the APIs to develop distributed applications. Java Intelligent Networking Infrastructure, JINI, gives an infrastructure to provide, register, and find distributed services based on its specification. And an essential part of Java Intelligent Networking Infrastructure is Java Spaces that supports distribution, persistence, and migration of objects in a distributed environment. Cloud-based applications. Cloud computing means on-demand delivery of IT resources via the internet, including storage, servers, databases, networking, and software with a pay-as-you-go pricing model. It provides a solution for IT infrastructure at a low cost, as we can save files on remote databases and retrieve them on demand. Java has long been the programming language that provides a structure for web applications, and now it has reached cloud applications because of its distributed nature. And Java provides us with features that can help us build applications used in software as a service, SaaS, and infrastructure as a service, IaaS, and platform as a service, PaaS development. There are many cloud development tools. For example, Oracle Java Cloud Service provides a platform to develop and configure the Oracle servers. Java can serve the companies to build their applications remotely or help them share data with others according to their needs. And the next one is web servers and application servers. A web server is a computer program that uses Hypertext Transfer Protocol, HTTP, and other protocols to store, process, and respond to client requests made over World Wide Web. The web server is a system that runs websites and delivers web pages to the users. The request initiated by the client must be responded by the server. You call it as request response system. An application server is a software framework that stores the business logic for an application program and handles all the operations between the client and back end of the organization. It is not limited to HTTP but can do a lot of other stuff. And Java ecosystem contains multiple Java web servers and application servers. Java provides web servers including Apache Tomcat, Simple, RWS, Apache, HTTP server, Resin, Adobe JRUN, and etc. A software tool is a set of computer programs that use to develop, analyze, maintain, debug, or support the other applications and programs. Many developers use Java to write and develop useful software tools. Examples are Eclipse, NetBeans, IDE, and etc. And the last is gaming application. And Java proves to be one of the best platforms for developing two-dimensional games. And every person has an Android phone that has an Android games in it. Android games cannot be built without Java. Java supports JMonkey engine, which is the most powerful open source 3D engine and has the capacity to design three-dimensional games. Android games use Java as a primary language because Java supports, as I told you earlier, DVM, Dalvik Virtual Machine, which is specially designed to run on Android platform. So these are the various applications of Java.